Have you ever wondered why audits still happen after damage is done? Why fraud is often discovered months later? Why financial statements are checked once a year, when transactions happen every second? Most people think AI-enhanced auditing and continuous assurance are futuristic ideas meant for tech giants. But the truth is they were developed to solve a very practical problem. Traditional audits are slow, selective, and reactive in a world that is fast, digital, and real-time. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. A system flags a suspicious transaction the moment it happens, instead of waiting for year-end testing. Without realizing it, that single action already follows the core logic of AI-enhanced auditing. This is the Learning Studio, where accounting and finance stop living in spreadsheets and start operating in real time. What's actually happening in that moment is straightforward. Artificial intelligence scans financial data continuously, compares it against patterns, rules, and historical behavior, and immediately highlights anomalies that humans would take weeks to find. That ability to examine 100% of transactions all the time, instead of sampling a few, is exactly what defines AI-enhanced auditing when explained formally. Now extend this idea across an entire organization. Instead of annual audits, systems run checks every minute. Instead of auditors hunting for errors, alerts appear automatically. Instead of discovering fraud after losses occur, risks are identified before damage spreads. This is continuous assurance, always-on auditing driven by data, not deadlines. This approach is already operating at scale. Global audit firms like Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, and EY use AI tools to scan invoices, analyze journal entries, detect duplicate payments, and flag high-risk transactions instantly. Banks apply machine learning models to monitor payments in real time. ERP systems update audit dashboards automatically without human intervention. What changes isn't the purpose of auditing, trust, but the method. Auditors no longer spend time ticking boxes and checking arithmetic. They interpret insights, assess risk, validate controls, and apply professional judgment. The auditor evolves from checker to assurance strategist. Of course, this isn't magic. AI depends on clean data, proper governance, cybersecurity controls, and human oversight. Poor data leads to biased results. Weak systems create false confidence. That's why auditors don't disappear. They become supervisors of intelligent systems. Once you understand this intuition, AI-enhanced auditing stops sounding threatening. It becomes obvious that automation doesn't replace professional judgment, it amplifies it. The future auditor isn't someone who checks transactions once a year. It's someone who assures trust continuously. Now that you understand the intuition behind AI-enhanced auditing and continuous assurance, the next natural step is to explore algorithmic trading and autonomous portfolio management, where AI doesn't just audit decisions but makes them. Stay curious, stay ahead, and continue learning with the Learning Studio, where modern finance is explained the way it actually works.